G'day YouTube, it's Shane here once again, and welcome to Around Adelaide. Right now I'm walking down Hindley Street, and I'm on my way to the Adelaide railway station because I'm heading home. I'm in the city because today I had a job interview at the Adelaide Oval, strangely enough, and yes, I am in with a good chance for the job there, and the induction is in a couple of weeks if I'm lucky, but I'll send them a courtesy email thanking them for the interview and letting them know that I can attend the induction if I'm successful. And I've done the job before through a third-party agency, and I'm available to work those shifts. It's a McDonald's restaurant, so if you're ever hungry and don't care about the quality of your food, you will survive here. So I've done the job before, and the guy who interviewed me had seen me working there in the job. So it all went well. Bypassed like a lot of his questions because he knew that I knew them all. I've worked for the Adelaide Oval for many years with different companies and stuff like that. I'll be working there on Thursday to take down some scaffolding and event-based stuff. So that's pretty cool. Tomorrow I've got a shift at the Wavell Showgrounds, and I'll just be moving carpet around. Fairly tedious job, but it's a fairly easy one as well. And if you get enough staff there, it can be a very enjoyable experience. And so things are slowly but surely looking up. And in future videos, I'm going to be talking about different locations around Adelaide, which is what I wanted to do initially anyway. Some more of the touristy kind of spots, and take a look at some of the beaches and things like that. That's all coming up. I haven't recorded anything just yet, but I will do so. And the funny thing is, world famous landmarks, these escalators are constantly in need of repair, and I mean constantly. Now they change direction throughout the day depending on the traffic flow. So now, because it's in the afternoon here, they are heading that way, like upwards. So in the morning, they will head in the afternoon after work. They'll head downstairs towards the train station. So I want to thank everybody who's been subscribing to my channel lately. It's been really, really good to see people subscribing and liking my videos. I know that the last few videos have been fairly bland and boring, but I'm hoping to change that in the future. And I meant to talk about the setup that I use to do walk and talk videos, and it's far cheaper and easier than what you would realise. And ultimately, if you want to be on YouTube doing stuff, you just got to hit record, edit your video, and then upload it. It's as easy as that. But yeah, I've got about 15 minutes before the train comes, so I'm going to say goodbye for now and listen to some more podcasts. But thank you for watching this far. This is the Adelaide railway station, and those are the ticket readers, and you use like a metrocard. I'll have to stop the video to show you. This is a metrocard, and these come in different formats. Some are for students, some are for people on concession, and all you've really got to do is they cost about $5. You load them up with credit on the machines. Okay, so this is the metrocard recharge. So you take your metrocard, put it in the slot like that, and then I've got $4.15 and a 14-day pass, so I can buy a ticket, and I just pick whichever one I want. Regular fare. And these are prices in Australian dollars, so pick one of them, and then when I'm ready, just tap on the keypad with my credit card, and it will recharge the ticket. And if you're buying like a manual ticket, the ticket will, like a physical paper ticket, will come out here along with your receipt. These are the prices as of July 2024. Now, in order to get in, you just go tap your card on here and push this, and we're in. Fairly simple stuff. Excuse me, I just changed here. That's what you said, but I want you. So I've got 9 minutes left to catch the train, but thankfully you can actually get on the train a lot earlier and sit down and relax. Anyway, try and avoid copyrighted music where I can. The next step is to validate the ticket and find a seat. And now it's time to sit back, relax, and enjoy the train trip fun. Bye for now. Click like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.